Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use revid.ai for social media content. So make sure you will just log in with officially website on it, and the next step is you will just choose the editor tools from here. So I will just upload on the TikTok video. So I will be just choose a short video generator. So if I scroll down, and here is your video script. So you can just paste script video or drop a link to get the content from the web. So I will be just use YouTube, and here is the New York City of walking tour. So I will just tab on this share button, and what gonna do, I will just copy it from here, and I will just go back, and I will be just paste it here, and let's see it's working or not. So I will scroll down. So the next you will just customize options from here is you can just choose what media will be used to illustrate the video. You can also import medias from your desktop. So from here you will just select the voices from like I like male, so it's all male voices, so you will just select it from here. Let's see. I will just test it, this Brian voice.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Okay, the this is voice will be just set it. So let's I will just tab on this generate video, and let's see what's the result dv.ai gives me. So you can just wait for a moment, it is preparing everything. So revi.ai, but sorry, right now I cannot fetch a transcript from YouTube because credit not used. So this is only when you just upgrade your account, and when you just upgrade your account by monthly or annually, so you will be able to full access of full video editor access, and AI video creation and voice generation, auto mode, script hook generation, record your own voice and video, and influencers creation, 3 auto mode workers, and 2000 AI credit month. So right now I'm not complete this session because I don't purchase the plan. I'm on free mode, but the steps, it is very right. So this is you can just make your to use revi.ai for social media content. So that's it. This video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.